In primetime news this evening, suspected suicide renews awareness push.
Church leaders rally against Obia.
And students recovering after Dublin Castle crash. Good evening and welcome to primetime news, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Thank you, Janella. Well, this evening we're talking tourism. There's a concern Jamaica may be overlooking a major opportunity in the orange economy. I'll give you the details later on in the business day.
Thanks, Lug. And O'Shane Masters is here with a preview of what's to come in primetime sports.
Thanks, Archie. What I can tell you is that national coach Bert Cameron has joined the sprint coaching staff of 189 Old Hope Road. That's Jamaica College. We'll have that and much more in sports.
Say what now?
He went to San Diego. We'll talk about that later on.
And speaking of San Diego, Romain is wearing a greenish tie. Do you approve?
No, he went to Monroe. He can tell you what the headlines.
Thanks, Archie. Thanks, Janelle. Now, over the next couple of days, we are expecting increased clouds, showers, and thunderstorms, especially across central and western parishes, and we still expect Friday to be the wettest day this week. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
The wettest day this...
I want to say boo for that. Can I say boo? Because I really cannot manage, anyway.
You'll find out more in the weather report and forecast later on. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
So I love this question. This evening we are asking, what are your thoughts on JUTC's expanded service to Montego Bay?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.